Hey everyone, this is Shannon Larsen, your local Las Vegas real estate agent, and I'm out here at Contour Community by Pointe Homes. I'm at plan number 2. Now this plan is 1,567 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it has a 2-car garage. Beautiful home, but before we take a tour of this beautiful home, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop of the latest information and home video tours that I do. So without further ado, let's go ahead and enjoy this tour. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed that tour. And if this is a home that you may be interested in or a builder that you may be interested in, please go ahead and contact me, text me, phone me, email me. Even if it's not something that you're looking for and you're looking for something a little bit different, go ahead and please do contact me. I want to be your #1 resource here in the Las Vegas area. Again, I'm Shannon Larsen. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time. Take care.